For the last 6 years, I have been asked the same questions on repeat. How do you get to travel the world? I'm a travel blogger and a social media influencer. The next question is normally, how do you get to travel so much? The answer to that is I travel for free. The next question is normally, wow, that's so cool. How did you get that job? The answer is, I created it. And you can do it too. Introducing your coach, yours truly, Hofit Cohen. In 2014, I decided to break free from the mainstream lifestyle, if you know what I mean. I've always had this strong core value that you should never do something that you hate. You should never have a job that you hate. You should never wake up in the morning hating and draining and dreading going to work. That is not a fun existence, guys, and I just didn't want to be a part of statistics anymore. I figured I'd create my dream job and career, and if it didn't work out, great, at least I traveled to a bunch of countries, did amazing things. And if it did work out, what if it did work out? Would I actually live the best life I could possibly give myself? In the last 6.5 years, I've traveled to 67 countries around the world, 28 countries in Europe. And you know what the best part about making your dreams come true is? Sometimes reality is even greater than your wildest dreams. In the past 6.5 years, I have stayed at some of the most luxurious hotels in the world. I've been invited by tourism boards, countries and states to come visit and review their city, their country, and I got paid for it. I've worked with amazing accessory lines, clothing lines, fitness lines, and so much more. I've been invited to endless events full of just fun, lots of gifting, lots of beautiful and amazing free products to try. If you've ever considered actually having this incredible lifestyle and giving yourself the gift of life, truly life, living, freedom, and just didn't know how to start, well, here's a lucky chance, guys, because I'm here to teach you exactly everything I learned in the last 6.5 years through trial and errors. I learned everything the hard way, and I just prayed and wished at so many breaking points that I had somebody to mentor me and help me get to where I want to get. I'm your girl. Stay tuned for more information.